How's it going, everyone? It's GadgetsBoy, and in front of us today we have Kitvision Edge action camera. So this will make a good alternative to those who can't afford to get the GoPro Heroes, for example. They're quite expensive and you have to buy a load of other accessories as well to make maximum use of the GoPro Hero. So with something like this, you get a lot of stuff already in the packaging, and it offers more or less everything you can do with the GoPro Heroes. So you got full HD 1080p, you got 8 megapixel for photos, and you got 175 degree ultra wide angle lens, and you got waterproof up to 100 meters. So that's enough to do all those action adventure stuff you want to do. Maybe it's underwater, or maybe you're flying out of a plane, maybe you're just riding a BMX. Whatever you do, this is awesome for that sort of stuff. It's got built-in Wi-Fi as well, and if you look on the side, we see some of the camera accessories available. So you've got waterproof case, you got your waterproof case back door, you got a detachable TFT screen, you got a flat mount for the board, you got curved mount for helmets, you got waterproof lens cover. On the bottom there says you got battery in there as well, anti-fog inserts, and USB cable as well for transferring data and recharging it up. So these are the box content in terms of accessories available. You also get a user manual in there, and of course your actual Kitvision Edge, the HD30W. So on the back here, it just gives you some more of information, like a little summary of what to expect. And if you look on this side, we get some more detailed information about the HD quality and things like that. So you got HD video, so you can do 1080i at 60 frames per second, 1080p at 30 frames per second, 720p at 60 frames per second, and the file format is a .mov file. You got 8 megapixel JPEG format for photos. You got a single shot mode, fast shot, or timed shooting as well. So the camera there, you can connect it with Wi-Fi connectivity to your smartphone or tablet. You can use your phone as a remote control for the camera, live video streaming, and data transfer as well. So some of the specifications here as well, you've got micro SD card slot, which you can use micro SDHC as well. You can use above class 6 up to 64 gig, which is not included. You got 10 times digital zoom. You got a G sensor in there, which is the accelerator sensor for auto on and stop. You got image, which is 180 degree turnover recording. You got 10 frames per second fast shot mode, built-in high quality microphone, high capacity rechargeable battery, up to 3 hours continuous recording, which is decent. It weighs 54 grams and 114 grams when you've got the TFT screen and battery inserted and attached as well. So what we'll do is just take this out of the packaging and actually see what it's like. I've also got my GoPro Hero with me here, the GoPro Hero 3 Black Edition, which I'll show you in comparison in terms of size and maybe some design factor there. So let's do that just now. So here it is. Once you unpack everything and take everything out of the packaging, you are greeted with the actual Kitvision Edge there, which you can see briefly just the design. We'll get a closer look just in a second. And on the bottom here, you've got the rest of the packaging. So in here is will be your accessories pack. So you just carefully take that out. Put that down there for a second. And we get some accessories in here, your USB cable to mini USB there, as you can see. Put that to the side. You get some of the mounts there, one of the mounts there available. You got the lens cap for waterproof cap, that is. You put that to the side. See what's in this one. Just take that off. So you get the back door itself, so you can use it to shut it all together. So you see what else is there. You also get your mount there. I think this is for the board, if you're surfing and stuff like that, or it could be for the helmet, I'm not too sure. But that's one of the other mounts available. See what this one here is. This might be the pads, the sticky pads. Yep, some more mounts to stick it onto your board. So the other one must be for the helmet in that case. So you can take the 3M stickers off and stick it down as you wish. See what else is here. We've got your battery in here as well. Let's take that out. So here's your battery. So this will last you 3 hours. You got some more mounting stuff here. Another one. See what else is here. You got a load of stuff in there. So, and here's your LCD to go on the back, which is brilliant. With GoPro, you'd have to buy that separately, or just rely on your phone for viewing footages live while you're live recording. So
See what's in this one here, nicely wrapped up. Some more mounting tools, so it looks like a screw, and some waterproofing mechanism there. We'll put that to the side so we don't lose that. And on the bottom you got your user guide. Again, give that a read, will tell you all about the settings and modes. And finally, I think this might be the anti-fog insert, so you can put it inside the cage and stuff. I won't bother opening that up, but you know what that is. And see what else is here. You get some stickers, some numbering stickers, so you can perhaps number your action camera if you got a few of them. And that's it. That's all there is in the packaging. I'll put that to the side since we've got loads of them, so we can get a closer look at the camera itself. So here's the camera itself, just to give you a closer look. It's currently in its housing now, so you can see what it looks like there. You got access to all the buttons that you need, like your record button and capture button and stuff, and some information at the top there, the little LCD display at the top, and as well as your option selection button at the front there. So what we'll do is just take this out of the cage completely, so we can get a closer look at the camera on its own. So you can see where the battery goes there, and the port there for the LCD display. The housing is quite sturdy as well. That's the cool thing about this. So it is the size of the camera. You can see the lens there, the 175-degree wide-angle lens, ultra-wide-angle lens. You got a couple of buttons right at the front. You got one for switching on the Wi-Fi, on and off. You got one for switching for different focus points. You got the G-sensor button for turning it on and off. And you got the actual power button as well, and a green button there for selecting options and stuff. And you got different LED displays there, LED notifications for different things. And at the top, you got your LCD display, you got a power button, and you also got your record and capture button as well. Again, some more notification LED lights there, microphone right at the top. Looking on the bottom there, you got your lock mechanism, so you can use it to lock it. And I think that's another microphone there. I'm not so sure, but it could be wrong. And then if you look on the side there, you got your HDMI ports there. You got a micro SD card slot and your mini USB and AV out as well. So all you need to do is just pop that open with the little tab there, which stays on as well. That's another thing GoPro got wrong. Their tab on there comes off very easily, and there's no, if you lose it, you lose it basically. So that's all the ports that's in there: mini USB, mini HDMI, and your micro SD card slot as well. I'll just put that back there, and what we'll do is just pop the battery in. Fits in nice and easily there, so there's no issues there at all. Just slides into place. Just do that again, just slide that into place, and there's your LCD screen. So just pop that in there, click that into place, and you are good to go. So you'd need the other back cage for that, because that would allow you to have your LCD display inside of the cage at the same time with the action camera. So here's the GoPro. So let me just take this out of the cage as well. So obviously this is the GoPro Hero with the extra battery on there as well, so you can see the size in terms of bulkiness. So they're nearly identical in size. If you look at that, you can see what they both look like there. So if you were to take the extra battery pack off the GoPro Hero, you see what I'm saying. You see just what I mean there. On the LCD screen as well, just while I remember, it's got some buttons on there as well. As you can see, buttons to increase volume, fast forward, and things like that. So you can easily just eject that off there if you don't want to use it. And you can see the size comparison there again once it's in there. This also has a tripod port there already, so you can see at the bottom there, so you don't have to go out again and buy extra things just to do that. It's already got that, so you can mount this on the tripod and you are good to go as well. So basically this action camera comes with all the things that you need to get up and running as quick as possible. You don't have to go out and buy so many extra accessories just to get this working, so which is a big bonus, a really good bonus there really. Anyway guys, do let me know what you think. Leave a comment below if you've liked this, and if this is your first time watching my videos, make sure you subscribe for more content, as there will be more to come. And thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.